Alright guys, in this tutorial I'll teach you how to see somebody's most recent followers on Instagram, whether it be because you want to stalk them or you are just curious. Here is how to do it. So I'm going to take Beyonce as an example. Just gonna click on her profile right here, and then I'm going to go to followers. As you can see, these are all of her followers, but how are they ordered? Well, the most recent followers are at the very top, and I'm going to show you proof of this. See, she has many followers. So if we go back and we just refresh this, I want you to pay attention to this profile, ITX, so on and so forth. If we refresh this, she should have other followers as her most recent follower right here. So if we refresh it and we go back, as you can see, Harrison is her most recent follower, and that is exactly how you do it. You just go to their followers page, and the followers which are at the very top are the most recently followed people on Instagram. So thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope it was useful. Leave a like and sub, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.